Hello, welcome back to Picsart's channel. If you're new here, my name is Talar and today we are diving into the world of offline marketing. Did you hear that right? Yes, offline marketing. We are taking it back to old school, no Wi-Fi needed strategies to boost your business. So grab your coffee, tea, or whatever makes you happy and let's get into it. So why should you care about offline marketing in this digital age? Well, first of all, let me tell you this. Offline marketing is all about that personal touch. And then second thing is that you can genuinely get a better connection with your local audiences. And then third of all, which is a win-win situation for everybody, you will diversify your marketing efforts. Let's break down some of the offline marketing strategies that you can start using for your small business today. Print advertising. So magazines, flyers, brochures, newspapers, anything that you can actually print out and hand out to your customers is a great offline marketing technique. And I know it's a bit old school, but they still give a really good impact. The key is to make it look so visually appealing and cool that your audience right now will be so into it. With Picsart, you can actually create your flyers so easily. You can use templates or you can create them from scratch. You can use web or app, but I personally like using the web tool because it's so much easier to navigate. And here's the final result that I came up with. Number 2 is direct mail. You can create really good postcards that you can send to your customers. And let's say you're a clothing shop and you want to showcase the summer deals. Instead of sending an email that can go straight to the trash, you can send them an actual mail card in their post so that when someone opens their mailbox and see that, they're genuinely like, oh my God, this brand is thinking about me. Here's how you can create a cute collage for your store. So I basically went on the app this time and added a bunch of cute photos for summer and then added the text, which is going to be like summer outfits. And I'm just going to print this out and this is going to be my postcard. Third idea for an offline marketing strategy is event marketing. You can either host an event or actually participate in other local events in your area. So I'm going to break it down for you. If you are hosting an event, then you need some goodie bags or something to give away. And for this example, I'm using a tote bag and I'm basically just going to create my own merch by adding my logo as a sticker onto the tote bag to see how the mock-up kind of looks like. And then once I'm happy with everything, I'm going to save the sticker as a PNG. You can take it to a print shop and they can do it for us. Very cool way for offline marketing. And then the second part of this is where you are going to participate in another event and you want to keep connected or you want to do some networking. And the best way to do that is hand out your business cards. So I'm going to go ahead onto Picsart Web and create my own business card. I am going to use a template just to make it very easy on me. I'm going to choose my brand colors, change up the text, and there we go. Just save this onto your computer and then take it to your local print shop and print out however many business cards as you want. All right, let's talk integration. Combining online and offline marketing is like peanut butter and jelly. It is better together. So for example, you can add QR codes to your prints. So add a QR code to one of your flyers to get more traffic to your website. Another example is that you can collect a lot of email addresses from events for your newsletters. And then if you have an event going on, then actually go ahead and market it online. So there you go, guys. There's a lot of possibilities you can do with offline and online marketing together. And there you have it. Offline marketing can be a blast from the past, but it's still a powerful tool to have in your marketing toolkit. So go ahead and start implementing the offline marketing techniques that you've learned in this video into your small business and let me know how that works out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for more awesome videos. Until next time, bye!